Let's face it, Maximo can be complex, but Ontracks makes it easier. Creating reports is just one example. Actuate and BIRT are helpful, but they're inconvenient and expensive. With Ontracks, Maximo SQL Server Reporting Services Plug-in allows reports to be launched from inside Maximo. Report writing is much easier. Standardize and speed up reporting. Build, preview, and deploy Maximo reports with ease. No scripting. No expensive solutions. And no hassle. Just one seamless plugin for all your reporting needs. Maximo is complicated. We make it easier through collaboration, education, and communication. Try it out today. #WeLoveMaximo.